Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Gmail holds the contacts you need. This avoids duplicate work later. Open Google Contacts, select the group or all contacts, then export as vCard for iPhone compatibility. If only CSV is available, plan to convert it first. Make sure your iPhone iOS is current and you know your device passcode, because you'll import and may need to accept prompts. Once the vCard is ready, transfer it to the iPhone via AirDrop, email, or iCloud Drive. Now import the vCard directly on your iPhone by tapping the file from Mail, Files, or AirDrop. You'll see an Add All Contacts prompt. Tap it. Alternatively, go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts, add your Gmail account, and enable Contacts to sync from Google. This pulls contacts automatically. If you prefer, upload the vCard to iCloud first, then merge contacts via iCloud. Calm and let the iPhone sync. This helps consolidate duplicates and keeps a cloud backup that's easy to manage. Finish by verifying contacts in the Contacts app. Use groups to reveal Gmail or iCloud entries and confirm phone numbers and emails matched correctly. If contacts don't appear, force sync by toggling contacts off and on for the account in Settings, then wait a minute. If items still fail to show, reboot the iPhone, re-import the vCard, or restore a recent iCloud backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if duplicates or missing fields occur, re-export from Google as vCard and choose iCloud Import to preserve field mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.